Welcome to the Learning Unit 7, where we explore Learning Outcome 6, illustrate and explain the various types of organizational structures, and Learning Outcome 7, explain the influence of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, 4IR, on the organizing activity of a business. Now, let's explore departmentalization. Departmentalization is the process of organizing an organization's functions, and it plays a crucial role in how work is allocated and carried out. Various departmentalization structures are used, each tailored to specific organizational needs. Functional departmentalization is the most basic structure, grouping similar functions like finance, marketing, and human resources into functional departments. Product departmentalization groups related to a specific product, common in companies with diverse product lines, allowing each product to have its own dedicated department. Location departmentalization is used in organizations operating in multiple geographical locations, grouping activities by region, with each location having its own department. Customer departmentalization focuses on targeting specific market sectors, creating dedicated departments for various customer segments. Matrix departmentalization, a more complex structure, provides flexibility collaboration-wise, involving employees reporting to two different managers, common in project-based organizations. Divisional departmentalization manages separate, distinct business divisions, often found in larger conglomerates, with various businesses under one umbrella. Understanding these structures is crucial for efficient organization and clarifying roles and responsibilities for employee. Mastering these concepts will equip you for success in the world of business management, setting the stage for a prosperous career. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, or 4IR, marks a seismic shift in the way we live and work. 4IR emphasizes digital technologies and automation. Businesses are integrating artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics into their operations. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. The 4IR ushers in an era of remote work and collaboration, where geographical barriers dissolve and employees seamlessly work together from varied locations. Witness the rapid expansion of e-commerce and the consequential broadening of business horizons, available at the fingertips of consumers worldwide. With the increasing digital footprint comes the critical aspect of cybersecurity and the necessity for businesses to be agile and adaptable in this ever-evolving landscape. Businesses must be agile and adaptable to thrive in the 4IR landscape. They need to respond quickly to changing customer demands and market dynamics. Understanding these critical pillars, organizational structures, and the influence of the Fourth Industrial Revolution is the key to navigating the complex world of business management. As you delve deeper into this learning unit, you'll unlock the knowledge to steer businesses through this dynamic environment. Good luck with your studies. Stay tuned for more insights into business management.